Okay, but why is this so important? Because this market is currently almost entirely dominated by the United States. According to a document from the Brazilian government accessed by the press, this measure is part of a broader strategy by Brazil to deepen agricultural ties with China. He said the following: "This opens an opportunity for Brazil to become another supplier, a new option for China in animal nutrition products. For us, it means re-establishing and strengthening the relationship between the Brazilian and Chinese markets, which share many common interests." Guys, in 2024, the United States were practically the only suppliers of DDG to China, okay? They dominated the market with 99.6% of imports by volume, which generated a revenue of nearly $66 million, according to Chinese customs data. It's estimated that more than 10 new plants are being built here in the country, expected to start operating over the next 2 to 3 years, producing both corn ethanol and DDG. The expectation is that Brazil's DDG production could reach 5 million tons as early as the 2025-2026 harvest. And it didn't stop there. At that meeting in Beijing, in addition to DDG, the two countries also signed protocols allowing the export of poultry meat and extractive fishery products from Brazil to China, which will certainly benefit important sectors of the Brazilian economy.